If you're looking for a live streaming app where you can live streaming, go party and earn reward, this new app is for you. Make sure you don't miss this update I'm going to be sharing with you now. This is a new app, fresh app. You need to grab it now. And this app is very, very amazing. Right now, I'm going to tell you how you can actually sign up on this particular app successfully and how you can actually do your tasks. If you rush and download this app without you listening to this video, you might end up regretting the whole thing. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee any. Results depend on your activities. Okay? I don't guarantee that you will earn. Always do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in any live streaming app mentioned on this video. To do is for you to go to Play Store or Apple Store for Memo Live, and I'm going to put the link down on the comment section of this video if you want to download the app, if you want to give it a try. And this app is a live streaming and also an audio. If you want to give it a try, go ahead and click the link I'm going to put on the description of this video. Go ahead and download it and start using it. What you need to do is for you to use your, once you download this, use your Google or your Facebook to log in. Then you need to choose your country. Be careful when choosing your country, because once you choose your country, you cannot be able to modify it again. Be very careful when selecting a country. For me, I selected Nigeria for this app because I want to use my Naira local bank to withdraw. Okay, so now you can see this is the how the interface of the app is going to look once you download the app. You can see live streaming, recharge, and rest of them. So this is the how the interface is going to appear, and you can actually invite your friend here and earn reward. Now you can join an agency or you can become an agency. Note, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually earn on this app. You can see video and audio. I'm going to share you which one that you need to apply before you can start earning newbie reward. If you have your agency ID, all you need to do is for you to put your agency ID and select whether you want to become audio host or video host. Anyone you feel like you can do it. But I'm going to be sharing with you which one will you do in order for you to start receiving newbie reward. Make sure you patiently watch this video. Right now, before you do that, you need to do a face verification. Very important. Get to your verification and verify yourself as a human being before you can start doing all of that. Now you can see host tax. Okay, this is where you're going to be earning your income. You can see exclusive benefit for 7 days after becoming a video host. First of all, before you can actually apply for whether you want to become a video host or you want to become an audio host, make sure you pay attention to this video. Right now you can see that 2,005 for 7 days. This is for only video host newbie. Without you becoming an video doing your live streaming, you cannot be able to earn this 225. Okay, you cannot be able to do it. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a lot of things you do here in order for you to increase your earning. Once you join an agency, if you are not an agency yet or you haven't joined an agency, you cannot be able to see live streaming. Make sure before doing anything you need to join an agency. A lot of agency are on their app, so you can look for a good and honest and agency you can join them. Okay, I'm not an agency yet. I'm not, like, I didn't create agency in this particular because I have a lot of agency I'm actually doing, so I have to just do my tasks, do activities on this app and come out without stressing myself much. Okay, you can see launch party, just launch this app party, and you can, as you can see, this is where you can go live. And when you want to go live, you need to upload your profile picture, which I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, right now you can see the interface of this app. This app is very, very clean. If you want to become an agency, you can see that you can actually apply for become an agency direct on that app. Put your phone number. If they accept you, then you are good to go. Right now you need to authenticate yourself. Very, very important. Before doing all of that, you need to go ahead and authenticate yourself. Is very, very important. As you can see, party, and like I see no reward yet. I don't have any reward at this moment. Blah blah blah, and all of that. So okay, so once you finish your 2 hour time, you're gonna see your reward and collect it. Okay, you can see reward rank. So now, do you know that you can people can actually call you on this app? You can actually receive video call on this app, and increase your earning? Yeah, let me show you how to do that. Right now, you can see audio call and video call. Only video host can receive video call on this app. If you are not an video host on this app, you cannot be able to receive video call. Okay, that is the advantage of being an video host. Okay, this is when I'm actually um making my real face a verification. So as you can see, it does not take too long. They're going to ask you to open your eyes and blah blah blah, like just like other live streaming app. Okay, it does not even take time. Then you can see that before you know it, we see face a verification successfully. Then you can see that once you click on your profile, want to authenticate yourself, you're going to see that you have a verification mark here. Then you can see everything going to come out clear. Like I said before you can, when you are selecting your country, make sure you are very careful. Do not select another country because once you select another country, you cannot be able to modify anything on this app. Be very careful. Select your country so that you can actually withdraw successfully on this app. Okay, do not go and select another country. Now you can see that you can actually invite your friends and earn reward. Then all you need to do is for to share your link to your friends and explain it to them, then they will join. Ask them to go live streaming. Once they go live streaming, each live stream they go, you will earn reward. Okay, all you need to do is for you to come over here and keep on claiming your income. Okay, so you can see that all you need to do for copy your invitation code, send it to them. Then once they added it, then you're going to earn commission. Even if they want to withdraw, you're going to be earning commission. Then let me take you to how we can able to do that. All you need to click on the share link, then they're going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so once they bring you here, copy it and send it to them. Okay, so now you can see that this app is very very okay, but only if you know what you are doing. Okay, like I said before, earning depend on your activities on this app. Okay, so you can see that. Let me show you how the reward rules for invite. Okay, if you invite your friends and the person broadcast for 1 hour within 7 days, you're going to earn 500. As you can see, broadcast for 10 hours within 7 days, you're going to earn 25. You can see broadcast, like you can see the reward they're going to be giving you. You can see invite user, like even if your friends earn $50, you're going to earn reward. Even if your friends, the person you invited, earn 100K in 7 days, you're going to earn reward for it. Even if your friends recharge, you're going to earn recharge. Like you can see that the person might recharge from 500K and above before you can actually earn reward as an invite. Okay, always make sure you read their rules very well, because if you invited someone that is not active, you cannot be able to earn. That is just the simple truth about this particular place. Okay, so you can, if you want any help, you can go to help session and send it to them. The team will look into it. Okay, you can see top up Google counselor. So if you're in Nigeria, you can see that Nigeria also have counselor on the app, on the session. Okay, but I am not yet buy coins on this particular app. I am not yet recharge. I'm starting to be doing my tax, my new bill reward and all of that. I am not yet buy the coins. Okay, so do not rush. It's a new app. Do not rush and say, let me go and buy. But it is your choice. So, but for me, right now, I have not buy anything. Okay, not buying anything yet. Like right now, I'm recording this video. I'm actually performing my tax on this app. Okay, so I have not even recharged anything yet on this app. Just for me doing my tax. At least do your tax. I don't know how the app actually, the update that's going to change before recharging anything yet. So this is how I'm doing for any live streaming app. Right now, I'm going to tell you how you can actually withdraw on this app. All you need to do is for you to go to your withdraw section. You can see zero diamond. Zero diamond. If you click on payment method, you're going to see that payment method is ePay, USDT, TRC20, Nigeria Bank, OPay, and PamPay. Do you know what thing I like about this app? Because I have PamPay and that is the reason why I'm selected this, because I'm gonna be withdraw with my Naira account. Okay, so if you're in any country you are, all you need to do for, make sure you selected your country so that your payment method will show. So that's your local payment method we should do not go and select US. And if you don't have all this dollar account, do not go and select it because you might end up regretting the whole thing. That's just why I tell you say make sure you stay on this video, watch to the end. Okay, I will share my own experience and you can actually grab it too. Okay, so right now you can see OPay 3%, PalmPay 3%, and it's arrived within 24 hours as they claim. I have not withdrawn yet, okay? I haven't withdrawn yet. I'm still doing my tax, okay? So you can see bank 3%, even 2023%. So, it's a new app. So that's really why I tell you, say, before you recharge, make sure you pay attention to the update, okay? So, it is a new app. Anything can change at any time. So, you can see permission required. You need to go live. Okay, once you are video host, live immediately you join an agency, do a verification, necessary verification you need to do. You need to go live. Then you need to go ahead and look for a photo you want to upload for you to use it for cover photo here, because without uploading cover photo you cannot be able to go live. I'm going to go ahead and use this cover photo. Always note that in case you upload your profile photo and it is not a verified, yes, wait. Once they approve that photo, you are going to start going live. But if they didn't approve it, bear in mind that you cannot go live without them approving the photo. Always make sure you use clean photo that is very clean before selecting any cover photo you want to use. Right now, I go back, I notice that they have approved the image already. As you can see, you have already played in, but right now they have approved it. Then I need to go ahead and go live. Okay, this is live stream. You can see that I'm on live streaming now, streaming. So you can see diamond is zero. I just started my live streaming. You can see smooth. So you need to put your the filter that is very good on you. Always make sure you read the policy, very important, so that you not mistakenly rule your no be reward. Okay, very very important. You can see that, you can see welcome. You can write this, as you can see hi. Okay, anybody that came to your life, you can greet them so that it will be engaging, so that someone that can actually give to you. Okay, now you can see no gist call request for now. If somebody want to join you live, like if they want to gist with you, this is where you're going to see them. You see these two button like this. You're going to see the request, then you accept them. If you want to accept them, fine. If you don't want to accept them, it's okay. You can see the gift reward. This app is a self-gifting app. That is the reason why I downloaded this app. Immediately I hear that this app is a self-gifting app, it's okay. That is nice, because right now any app that is not self-gifting app, I don't know what to say here, but I really like self-gifting app. Okay. So because I'm doing this, that's the reason why I bring it here. If you're interested of streaming on the live streaming app and any reward, this live streaming app is for you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.